chicken curry with bread, taste of home, joy of reunion. There are dishes that, when mentioned, immediately remind us of gatherings of friends and family, laughing and sharing warm moments. Chicken curry with bread is one of those dishes. The rich, fatty flavor of curry combined with the softness of chicken and the crispiness of bread has created an unforgettable impression in the hearts of many Vietnamese people.
Ingredients to prepare: 350 grams chicken, about 1 tray, bought at the supermarket, washed with diluted salt water and lemon, drained, cut into bite-sized pieces. 500 grams taro, 1 carrot, 1 sweet potato, 2 potatoes, all washed, peeled, cut into bite-sized pieces. 2 lemongrass stalks, cut into pieces, 1/2 cup coconut milk. A little turmeric powder, 3 cloves of garlic, minced shallots. Olive oil, oyster sauce, black pepper, pink salt, brown sugar and other spices according to family taste.
How to cook, simple but full of love. In a pot, heat cooking oil over medium heat. Add onions, garlic and lemongrass and saute until fragrant. Add chicken to the pot and stir fry until the chicken is firm. Add turmeric powder, a little sugar, pink salt and a little water and continue to stir fry until the chicken is lightly golden brown. Add the root mixture and stir well to let the root absorb the flavor. Add a little fish sauce and add water to cover the root. Continue to simmer for about 5 minutes. Add coconut milk. At this point, you will see the curry gradually turn golden brown. The coconut milk is smooth and fragrant, making anyone exclaim. When the chicken and vegetables are soft, season to taste, turn off the stove.
Enjoy! Scoop the curry chicken onto a plate. Don't forget to add a little ground pepper and a few fresh coriander leaves to make the dish more appealing. What could be better than inviting friends over on the weekend and enjoying chicken curry with hot, crispy bread? Imagine the whole group sitting together, laughing loudly, each piece of bread dipped in curry sauce, the sweet and fatty taste melting in your mouth, along with the soft, flavorful chicken, all creating an extremely memorable culinary experience. Wish you success and see you again in the next simple and delicious dishes.